Hi, and welcome to our Bitkom Privacy Conference virtual event tool, Swapcard. I'm very excited that you'll be joining us on the 28th and the 29th of September for our Bitkom Privacy Conference, which will be held digitally this year. Join us for interactive networking sessions, exciting presentations, workshops and panel discussions around the hot and most debated topics around data protection and privacy, such as third-country data transfers, GDPR compliance, data security, and video conferencing. You can check out our whole program and our amazing lineup of speakers on our website already. The homepage will give you access to all of the platform's features. You will find the links to the live sessions and can join the session at any time. Just click on the Watch Live button. You will be able to watch the live session, but also chat with other attendees and ask questions by using the chat box you can see on the right side of your screen. If you want to have a look at the whole event schedule, please go back to the homepage and click on Agenda. Here you will be able to see the program for both event days. If you're only interested in specific formats, you can filter the agenda by using the filter box on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on the session in order to get more details. Here you will also find the direct link to the live video, as well as information about the speakers of that specific session. You can register for the session by clicking the Register button. If you go back to the main agenda, you can register for as many sessions as you want. Registering for the sessions will also allow you to build your own personalized schedule for both days. You can find all the sessions for which you have registered in the menu by clicking on My Event. Here you can see the list of all sessions you are interested in, and you will also be able to export your individual event agenda to your personal calendar by clicking Export to My Calendar. We are also offering interactive formats such as a roundtable or deep dive session. For these sessions, the number of participants is limited in order to guarantee an exclusive framework and the option for personal exchange with other participants and the speakers. You can see the number of seats that are still available by clicking on the relevant session. Please register if you are planning to visit it. You can unregister at any time if you change your mind or your schedule. This will also allow other participants to register again. Next to the live session and other content formats, you can also use the platform to network with other attendees. Click on Community to see the attendees list. People who could be of interest to you will be displayed on top of the list. You can also use the box on the left-hand side in order to search for specific participants or add keywords in order to get better recommendations. By clicking on the participants, you can directly connect with them. Here you can see the whole profile and you can send a connection request using the text box on the right-hand side. When the contact accepts your connection request, you can directly chat with them or talk to them via a video call. You can also request a meeting with another participant. This will be a video meeting. The available slot will be shown in the person's profile. Click on your preferred meeting time and select Virtual Meeting. After the contact has accepted your request, the meeting is confirmed. Same as with the event schedule, your personal meetings will be displayed in your individual agenda in My Event. Direct calls can also be held using the chat icon on top of your screen. Click on the icon and see all the attendees that you already contacted and start the video call directly. You can apply the same procedure if you wish to contact one of our speakers. Just go to our speaker section and click on the profile you are interested in. Here you will find more details about the speakers and you can contact them the same way you do with the participants. We would also like to recommend visiting our conference partners. On the homepage, you can find them by clicking on Exhibitors. You will see the list of all our partners there. You will get more details by clicking on the partner. Here you will see additional information on products and services, as well as contact details of all participants representing that company. You can also schedule a meeting there. This works similar to meeting requests to other participants. Another feature which I will show you next is the group chat. Here you will have the opportunity to ask any general question you might have. Just type in your question or statement and share it with all the other participants. Of course, you can also reply to other comments in the chat. If you have technical questions about the platform, you can always contact the help desk via chat or via video call. And now the most important thing to do. Please check your own profile, which you can find on the homepage on the left-hand side. Your profile includes all the information you gave us during your registration for the event. Enrich your profile by adding a profile picture, skills, or your short CV. Include the links to your social media accounts and manage your contact details. Enriching your profile increases the opportunity for networking with other attendees, partners, and speakers. And you can start networking right away. You know your way around our Bitkom Privacy Virtual Conference tool now. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask our conference team. You can find their contact details on our website. And I am already looking forward to welcoming you on the 28th and the 29th of September.